Making money online in 2023, like in previous years, involves various strategies and approaches. The online landscape is continually evolving, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and adapt to the changing market. First of all, before going to the video, you are requested to hit the bell icon and share the video as much as you can. The first platform which can definitely change your life if you have patience and consistency is freelancing. Freelancing offers your skills and services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This could include writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Earning through freelancing can be a rewarding way to make money by offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. For this purpose, you can simply go to Google. Go to your chosen platform, set up a professional profile. Write a compelling bio, describe your skills and experience, and include your portfolio or work samples. A well-optimized profile increases your chances of attracting clients. Second way to make money in 2023 is creating a YouTube channel. Making money through YouTube involves building a channel, attracting an audience, and monetizing your content. First of all, choose your niche. Select a niche or topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create content that resonates with your target audience. Create high-quality content, invest in good equipment for recording and editing videos. Your content should be engaging, informative, and unique. Consistency in uploading is also crucial, as regular content keeps your audience engaged. Optimize your channel, set up your YouTube profile with profile picture, cover photo, and description. Use relevant keywords in your channel name and description to improve discoverability. Build your audience. Focus on building a loyal subscriber base. Interact with your audience by asking for feedback and engaging with them on social media platforms. At the last but not least comes in Forex trading. Earning money through Forex trading can be lucrative but also involve significant risks. The Forex market is where currencies are traded, and traders aim to profit from fluctuations in exchange rates. Start by gaining a solid understanding of how the Forex market works. Study Forex trading concepts, terminology, and strategies through books, online courses, forums, and educational websites. Select a reputable Forex broker with a good track record, proper regulation, and a user-friendly trading platform. Research and compare brokers' fees, spreads, leverage options, and customer support. Practice with a demo account. Most brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to trade with virtual money. Use this opportunity to practice trading strategies, understand the platform, and build your skills without risking real capital. Start with a small account. When you're ready to trade with real money, start with a small trading account to minimize risk. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your position size. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and hit the bell icon to see more ways to earn money. See you in the next video. Goodbye.